All right, welcome to video 1 of the residential house board drawing. This is what you're gonna make. So first thing you wanna know, you're gonna use 1/4-inch scale. All right, you gotta make sure you have 6-inch walls with the whole house. On your floor plan itself, these are not 6-inch walls, so your measurements are gonna be a little bit skewed. Yes, I said skewed. So these are 4.5-inch walls, because it's a 2x4 with a 1/2-inch drywall on each side, so that actually adds up to like 4.5 inches. The outside walls are thicker. Most important thing is that these measurements are exactly the same. Now, this 7'3", you're actually going to change to 7'4" if you haven't already done so. That is an error, as this one right here, this should be 4 feet. Okay, 1/4-inch scale. Yes, this says 1/8 inch. This is drawn to an 1/8 inch or printed off to an 1/8 inch. You're going to use 1/4-inch. Got it? Good. Let's draw this thing. I'm teaching at the same time, so this should be really interesting. So, I need a ruler. That would help out immensely. Just eyeball it? Yeah, that'll work out great. Yeah, just eyeball a house. What could possibly go wrong? Okay. To get started off, I'm going to shift my camera a little bit over. To get started off, guys, I would go on a 1/4-inch scale about 8 feet up and 8 feet over. That way you have enough space. So go 8 feet up and 8 feet over on a 1/4-inch scale, about that, to get started off. So 8 foot by 8 foot over here. Oops, you guys can't see. Oh crap, I can't rotate it the other way. It's gonna be upside down on my drawing, because it won't allow me to do it any other way. Poop. Okay, so just as the plan shows, we're gonna start off with this 28-foot line, then down 4. And I'm gonna start right there. So set that aside. Hopefully you have space at home to do this. And you're gonna draw a line 28 feet over. Okay. Now, also on here, keep in mind this, otherwise your elevation is gonna be messed up. These lines here should line up. See that? These lines here should all line up. So keep that in mind. Alrighty. And then I'm gonna go 4 feet down. Then 17.4 over. Make sure you hit that at 17.4. So I'm gonna make sure the outside line's on 4 feet. Right here, then go over to 17. Okay. Then down 2 feet. I'm gonna do this fancy because my T-square's in the way of the camera, so I'm gonna have to do it like this, which is not fun, but I don't have another choice. So this goes down now 2 feet. Go. And that goes 14 feet over. Are you guys okay, by the way?
I'm struggling to do
Is your T-square whip wobbly?
No, my head.
Oh, yeah, well, you got a broken thumb. That's probably not going to help out that cause.
It's my wrist.
Gotcha. So I'm going to cheat this a little bit since I have all these lines here, and I have a little bit of a technical issue where this line should go straight across. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw that, but I will have to erase this. And I'm going to do the same thing here, just to make sure things are lined up. And then I can just draw my lines to it. So actually, I just made my life a little bit easier because of the way my desk is set up right now. So this goes this way. So this is 2 feet right there. I just saved myself time. Nice. This is 17.4 again. Make sure that's accurate. Sometimes I round. This one I don't. I should set my T-square up to make sure my line's straight. It is, but I want to do it correctly with you guys. There we go. And then, so let me put a measurement here, 17.4. This is 2 feet. This is 14 feet. That's 2 feet again, 17.4. Now, since I know these are lined up and this is drawn correctly, I can just take this and draw this straight up like so. Scale doesn't matter because I'm just using it as a straight edge. Now that's lined up. And then the last measurement over there is another 7.4. Right there. And now I can erase this part right there. Now, if you did it like me, the eraser shield's coming really handy right now to clean things up a little bit, which is what I'm going to do next in order to erase some of these excess lines. Still not done yet, but at least got the interior or the exterior of the front done. There we go. All right. Do you guys have any questions while I'm doing this? Or are you guys good? Or am I lost you guys because I'm just kind of making the video, or what's going on? Okay. You good, Bert? You good, Donovan? Okay. Randy, got questions? Yell at me. All right, going up here. 28 feet up. It's been years since I've drawn this house. Kind of enjoy floor plans by hand. Now, once again, these walls should line up. So if I want to cheat this a little bit, I easily can by just take this thing and I can just kind of just eyeball where that's at. And I can draw this line going over in order to save measurements and time. There we go, just like that. And I'm dealing with this camera, so I have to do that once in a while. So this line here goes up 4 feet. Like so. Okay. So next, this line will square off with this one right here. Oops, you can't see that. With that one over there. Should have set my phone on landscape, but that looks good. Yep, you're good. So this line here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this. I'm not using a ruler right now because I don't need to, because I need this to be lined up with this right here. There it is. These two should be lined up like this. So I'm not going to concern myself too much with that measurement right there. And then the last measurement before I round out this outside is 4 feet down from here. This will square off with this right here. So once I got my mark laid out, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw my line right there. I know that one's correct. So then I'm gonna take this, draw it straight up. Ooh, I got that perfect. and then go back and erase any excess lines I don't want. All right. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I'm gonna help out those in class, and then next stage will come next. So next step will be interior walls, but there's one more wall I still need to draw on this. I realized after the fact I got done. And that's this wall right here goes straight up. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze my T-square over here. Ooh, I can, nice. And this wall right here goes all the way up. I need to extend it once I get it drawn because I don't have enough room on my table. So this line should go all the way up to there.
It's really glary. Okay, it's really, it was glarious. I can go ahead and see.
Okay, no, you're good. You can't even see on my screen anyway because I'm bringing out space. Okay, here's how you do interior walls. You will like this. Grab your lettering guide. If you don't have one, I'll chuck one at you. All right, here's how this works. So your lettering guide is actually 6 inches in between the holes. So assuming my lead is sharp, now this should work out just fine. I might have to sharpen it real quick. But just to show you guys this, let me adjust my camera real quick so they can see it. There we go. Here's what you do. You go inside the walls. So set your T-square along the line. You're gonna put your pencil in the hole and draw it across like this. First hole, yep, because that's 6 inches. And what I would do if I was you guys, I like keeping my T-square on one side and doing all those walls first. That way I don't have to shift things around as much. But you do whatever you want to. So you put your T-square along the line that goes in the first hole. So you put your T-square along this line here, you put this right here, and then you put it in the first hole and you draw it across. Probably the simplest way to be able to make it if you know all your lines. And I know my lines, I named them. This is Georgie. You will have to do a bunch of erasing here in a minute because you want the walls to be what I like to call fluid, but I'll show you what that is here in a minute. So I just like to go all my vertical ones first, then my horizontal ones, or whatever way you're looking at it. I think I got those two backwards, but that's okay. Go there. Oops, I forgot the bottom. Okay, then rotate. Now, this inside wall right here, guys, you put the wall on this side, not this side. On the side that's not the garage. And just so you know, your walls should not have a separation between them. So they should be fluid like this. If you want to look up here real quick. Brady, let me see your eraser real quick. So like, if your wall looks like this, you actually need to go back and erase the inside line using your shield. That way the walls are what I like to call fluid. So that way these things don't look like they're separation. And once in a while you might erase the wrong thing. And then my shield down all the way. There we go. So that's how you do that. I have to deal with this nightmare of a setup I have here. Nope. Nope. I'm just gonna mark mine. So the other way you can do this is if you're struggling with getting that like I am, is you can just do a 6 inch wall by making a little dash like this. Yeah, I cannot find this to save my life. Nope. Nope. That's good. This wall here goes inside as well. As is this one right here. And what that mark is. There we go. And then this one goes inside. I had to mark it because I got too much stuff in my way. Six inches. Oh, that's right. I'll take it on the end. And do it this way. There we go. Okay, once you get your lines drawn, it's time to start erasing. So you're gonna go around your house here and you're gonna erase anything that is an intersection in your walls. That way, as I said, things will kind of fluid. This will take some time to get it right. That's okay. Because we want this to look nice. So start erasing the stuff that you don't need. And I'm not talking about your math homework either. You gotta love eraser shields. Oops, I forgot one. I forgot this one over here. There we go. Inside walls now complete. You should have this done. And oops, I forgot that one over here too. And a little bit ahead of myself. There we go. All right. Done with this part. Interior walls finished. You should have this right now.